Every AI engineer and software engineer starts somewhere. Today is day one of my DSA journey using Python. If you are also starting from zero and want to crack placement interviews or become an AI engineer, let's learn together. One problem every day. Hi everyone, I am Vimal. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm documenting my complete journey from a fresher to become an AI engineer. Every day I will solve one DSA problem, explain the logic, discuss time complexity, share my mistakes and improve step by step. If you are on a similar journey, subscribe and let's grow together. Before we solve today's problem, let me show you the roadmap for this series. DSA isn't something you should learn randomly, every topic builds on the previous one. We will first complete arrays, then move step by step through every important DSA topics. By the end of this roadmap, we will have built a strong foundation for coding interviews and software development. So this is my our roadmap for this series. And today problem is remove duplicates from sorted array. We are given a sorted array like 1 1 2 is an array, means given array means we need to transform to like 1 comma 2. Our task is to remove duplicates values without creating a new array, and we must modify the original array and return the number of unique elements in an array. Whenever you solve a coding problem, don't immediately start typing code. First ask yourself, like, what makes this problem easier? The answer is hidden in one word itself only, that is sorted array. Because the array is sorted only, duplicate values always appear next to each other. So instead of comparing every element with every other element, we only need to compare neighboring elements. That's the key observations here. Here we will use one variable called k. That k tells us where the next unique element should be placed. Since the first element is always unique, we start with k equal to 1. So it is a unique element. We will start as a k is equal to 1. Now that we have understood the logic, let's write the code step by step and understand what each line does. Okay, so LeetCode asks us to write our solution like inside a class called the solution. So we start with that. So next we create a function called remove duplicates. Here nums is the input array given by LeetCode. So we use that, and first I check whether the array is empty. If there are no elements, means there are no unique values, so I simply return 0. After I use k equal to 1. Now I create a variable called k. Think of k as a position where the next unique element should be stored. Since the first element is always unique, I start k with a value of 1. Next I loop through the array starting from index 1, because I will compare each element with the previous element. The first element does not have previous element, so there is no need to start from index 0. Here, if num of I not equal to num of I minus 1, here comes the most important part of the solution. Since the array is already sorted, duplicate values are always next to each other. So if the current element is different from the previous one, it means I have found a new unique element. After num of k equal to num of I. When I found the unique value, I just copy it to the position indicated by k. This way all unique elements are moved to the front of array. After sorting unique elements, I increase k by 1. Now k points to the next empty position where the next unique elements can be placed. So I will use k plus or equal to 1. After just finally return finally after checking every element, I return k. This value tells LeetCode how many unique elements are present in the array. Here I will show the dry run. For example, we can have input of 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 of array, and step 1 I will initialize k equal to 1, and just checking 0 equal to 0, so duplicate it will skip, and after checking 1 not equal to 0, so it can store. So and I can next step k equal to 2, and it will continue until the end. So after finally 0 1 2 3 we can get the unique elements after removing duplicates, and return k equal to 4. Now comes to the complexity. Here time complexity is 0 of n. We visit every element exactly once, so we don't create another array, so it's a 0 of n time complexity. What I learned today, yeah, today's lesson was in not just removing duplicates. The biggest lesson was identifying patterns. Whenever you see a sorted array, think about whether comparing neighboring elements or using pointers can simplify the solution. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and solve this problem again without looking at my solution. If you can explain the logic in your own words, you have truly understood it. I'm also building a free learning community where I will share my Python notes, DSA Sheets, SQL Notes, interview questions, coding resources, and my learning roadmap. Come and join below if you like to be a part of it. This is just day one of my journey from a fresher to an AI engineer. Today we will continue with another array problem and keep building our foundation one step at a time. If you are preparing for placements, software engineering, or AI, subscribe and join me on this journey. Until then, keep learning, stay consistent, and never stop improving. See you in the next